When we go about coaching, the job of the coach is not to remove struggle. It's not to always get a perfect strike, if we want to run with a bowling analogy here. When someone first starts bowling, they might start with bumpers. And the goal of that is to make sure that you don't get a gutter ball. Make sure you don't fail, to help build up your confidence in what you're doing. With coaching, maybe those bumpers are closer in at first. But the whole point is to give more and more room to allow for your individual contribution to really come through. So it's not about getting perfect strikes every single time. Sometimes you're going to hit one pin, but slowly through the practicing of that, you can start getting strikes. And now it's on your own instead of with the supports. With that, that's so important to build up confidence at first so that you continue to throw the bowling ball. You continue to try and you continue to get better in practice. And so our supports are there to help protect your ego as you're trying to avoid total failure, especially in circumstances like in college where a failing semester actually costs a lot of money. So if we can help prevent the failure but allow for your own personal flavor of navigating issues, your own swerving of the bowling ball, we can slowly get it where you're able to succeed on your own without supports.